I hate Gurgaon. How am I gonna settle here? Oh, light bhi gayi. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know how this background is very different. It's a little messy, and I know how you guys can also hear the background noises, the cars, the wind, the birds. Yeah, I know. I'm really sorry for this video. I will be back with better quality next time, but I was just so excited for this video. I was missing YouTube a lot, so I thought I should just sit down and film a really casual laid back video. I hope you guys don't mind. So today's video is actually a Club Factory haul video. If you guys don't know what Club Factory is, it is basically a China based shopping website where you guys get home decor, fashion, clothing, makeup, you name it, and you get it. And the best part about Club Factory is that it is very affordable, it is very cheap. It's basically like Saroj Nagar but on the internet. That is how I like to call it, and that is how good it is. So Club Factory actually did reach out to me and asked me whether I want to try the products out, but they are not paying me to make this video, so all my reviews and my opinions will be very honest. I have been trying these products since a month now, and there are a few things I like and I don't like. I'll be very honest about that, and yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Now I have all these things here and a few things here and there. I have been trying these for a month now, so obviously I could not just have them individually packed. I have been trying it out, so I just packed them compactly in this Ziploc, but they send individual Ziplocs for every product that you order. Now what I basically did was I kind of ordered things from all the different categories that they have. So I do have technology as well. The first thing is this ring light. It is from the technology department, and this is how it looks. So it's basically something that you can attach on your phone because it has a clip here, and they also give you a charging USB wire, so that is great. And it has three modes basically. One is this, then this, and then this, so it gets brighter with every click, and I want to kind of DIY it into a small ring light, so yeah. The next thing that I have are makeup brushes. So I have heard that Club Factory is basically known for its accessories and the makeup brushes, so I got a set for myself, and as you guys can see, I have used a couple of them as well, and let me tell you, they are amazing. They have really soft bristles and they don't come off. So that is great. They're densely packed and very soft bristles, something that a makeup beginner would want to buy. If you guys don't want like really expensive makeup brushes, these are the ones you guys would want to invest in. The second thing that I have are, oh my god, I already have them in the case because I have been using them. Even my friend loves it. So now I know how vintage glasses are really in right now, shapes like these and everything. So this is what I got. This is the first thing, and these are so good quality. I have been using them for a while now, and they did not break or anything, and yeah, these are great. I also got another pair of sunglasses. These are basically like Ray-Ban knockoffs. These are reflectors. Now I just basically got them because I wanted them since quite a while now. The next thing are actually from the accessory department. These are a pair of earrings. Now you can actually use them as a stud or basically like a hoop, and they come with extra coalies, so brownie points for that. These are actually marble and gold earrings, so you guys wear it like this, or you can actually just wear it as a normal marble stud. So it's a 2-in-1 earring, and it's amazing. I have been trying it. It does not really fade off, but if you guys want another additional hack, you guys can put some transparent nail polish on it and you will be good to go. Now those are all from the accessories, makeup, technology department. Now let's come on to the clothing. The first thing is this sweatshirt, this unicorn sweatshirt that I got. Now honestly, I got this in a size L because I kind of wanted like an oversized jumper, but the material isn't very good. It is kind of like something that you can wear for shoots, so you guys can wear for pictures, but not something you can actually wear even in the winters, because I don't like the material much. It is not like a jumper material. Inside it's really soft, but it feels like you know, like a doll's clothing, so I don't really like this one. And the next thing that I got is again a t-shirt. Now this one I actually like. I don't complain. The only thing is that the dhagas are coming off, so I'll just cut it, but otherwise for like the price, it's totally really nice. But I would not recommend you guys to get your clothing items from Club Factory, because I don't know if, like, you know, I would really wear this often. Next I have again a makeup brush, because people told me that Club Factory is great for the makeup brushes, so I got them. This is a fan brush. Now fan brushes, highlighting brushes are very expensive and I do not have the money for it. I'm very broke. So this is great for highlighting. I have been using this for my highlight and I love it. So, and the last thing is again from the clothing department. This I kind of liked. This is more of like an accessory, but these are fishnet stockings, so this is how they look. Now I know how if you see them they do not look like fishnet stockings, but trust me, they fit you, and for the pricing it's really great because Forever 21 has fishnets for like 400 bucks and this is like half the price, and it's actually good quality for like you can use it like 5 times. That is great. So yeah, that was it for today's video. All my opinions were very honest. I did not really like the clothing. I like the fishnets but not the 2 tops. I mean, I can work with this, but I don't think I will ever wear this except for photos and shoots. But otherwise, I love the accessories. The glasses were amazing. The makeup brushes are to die for. If you guys are makeup beginners, trust me, you would want to invest in this. And even the sunglasses are amazing. So yeah, that is it for my little review of Club Factory. The returns and all the policies will be down below in case you guys want to check out Club Factory. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, you know what to do. Give this video a huge thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. But if you guys are subscribers already, be sure to hit the notification bell button and get notified every time I post a new video. And the next video will not be in this backdrop, don't worry. So yeah, I shall see you guys next time. Bye bye.